So you can see a beautiful small falls over here, a beautiful scenic view. And you can see plastic all over here, beer bottles, wine bottle, alcohol, plastic, chips packet. So all the dust particles are thrown by the so-called educated people. You can see the plastic over here, cigarette pack. So these are all thrown by so-called educated humans. We have to understand one thing. So we go through these falls to enjoy the nature, but we should not leave our footprints. We should not throw plastic over here. So I request everyone, those who visit this jungle area or the waterfalls area, please carry a bag with you and collect all the waste material which you take over there and take it back to your places so that you can dump it in a municipal area or a gram panchayat area. Thank you. Do not spoil the natural places.